In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete suggested email addresses in Gmail. If you've ever started composing a message and seen old or incorrect addresses pop up, you are seeing Gmail's suggestions at work. These suggestions often come from people you've emailed before, even if you never saved them as full contacts. Clearing out the ones you don't need can help you avoid sending messages to the wrong address and keep your workflow tidy. First, we'll clean them up from Google Contacts. Go to Google Contacts in your browser. This is connected to the same Google account you use for Gmail, so make sure you are signed in to the right one. On the left side, look for the section labeled Other Contacts. This is a special place where Gmail automatically stores people you've interacted with but haven't saved. Opening this section gives you a list of those frequently emailed but unsaved entries. Find the address you want to remove. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to narrow it down. Once you've located it, click the three-dot menu next to that entry and choose Delete. Confirm if you are asked. That's it. Removing it here tells Gmail to stop suggesting that address when you compose emails. Changes usually sync quickly, but give it a moment if you still see a suggestion right away. Here is also a quick way to remove a suggestion right from Gmail while you are writing a message. Start a new email and type a few letters in the To field until you see the suggestion you want to remove. Hover your mouse over that suggested name or address, and you'll see a small X appear on the right. Click the X and Gmail will delete that suggestion. This is handy when you spot an outdated address in the moment and want it gone immediately. A couple of quick notes to help you out. If you don't see other contacts in Google Contacts, it may simply mean there aren't any unsaved suggestions for that account. And if you manage multiple Google accounts, double-check that you are looking at the same one connected to the Gmail inbox where the suggestions appear. Deleting from either place removes the suggestion and helps keep your address list clean going forward. That's all you need to do to delete suggested email addresses in Gmail. Thanks for watching.